Well, it happened again, and the greenhouse is not looking good. Yeah, this is not looking good. Ugh.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the Country Living Homestead. Well, it happened again. It's not as bad as the last time, but we did get a blizzard yesterday. It was supposed to be ending at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. That didn't happen. It just kept going throughout the day, throughout the night, and as you can see, snow is still falling today. So we're guessing, based on what we're shoveling over here and what we're seeing, that we've gotten about 4 feet of snow so far. So it's been kind of crazy with the weather here this year. We're not getting any normal snowfall. We're just getting like these crazy dumps of snow. Like the first time we got 6 foot, now about 4 feet, and in between we got almost nothing, just a few little flurries here and there. So kind of crazy weather this year. And in addition to that, it looks like this is going to follow the same pattern as the last snowfall, where we're going to have a ton of snow and then it's going to warm up in a couple of days to like 50 degrees and probably melt most of it. So definitely crazy weather we're having here, but nonetheless, we got to get out here, check on the animals, and get the snow cleaned up. We haven't been out here yet today. We haven't moved any of the snow. We did move some last night. So this is what we're coming out to in the morning. All right, the ducks look good. It looks like they have used their wings once again to pack down a little area in there for themselves. They spent most of the night in their little hut. We have that packed in with straw, so they all look really good. Well, the next challenge is going to be finding the ducks' dishes. That's not going to be easy. However, you can see that the ducks have this really neat thing they do with their feathers. They come through whenever we get a large amount of snow, and they all work together, flapping their wings and batting that snow down and packing it down. So they've been able to pack down quite a good area for themselves here, and as the days go on, they'll extend this and they'll actually pack down more and more area in here for themselves. So right now they're hiding from me. But yeah, it's kind of a cool thing that we notice that ducks do. And it's definitely helpful if you live in an area where you get a lot of snow. And I know I've said this before, but we have found these silver appleyard ducks to be absolutely amazing in the wintertime. They handle the snow, they handle the cold. We don't have to worry about frostbite with these guys. So we've been very happy with them. Found one dish. All right, the ducks are eating and drinking. They're happy. I had to throw their grain on the ground today. I hate doing that, but unfortunately I could only find one can and I had to use that one for their water. So they don't seem to mind too much, and they're all looking awesome, so we're happy about that. This looks all too familiar. See how the breast chickens are doing this morning. Hey, girls. How's it going? Everybody looks really good. We've had some cold temps here. And I don't see any frostbite really on their combs or wattles yet, which I'm kind of expecting to happen at some point this winter because their combs and wattles are just so big. But so far, everybody looks great. Plenty of food. I like to feed the chickens on demand in cold temperatures. I don't like to limit their feed at all just because when it's cold, they really need that feed and they need freed up water and feed to be able to regulate their body temp. So we don't restrict that at all during the cold winter months. But everybody's looking good. It's not too bad here today. It is about 20 degrees, although it is colder with the wind chill factor. But these guys are nice and toasty in here and doing well.
Well, it happened again, and the greenhouse is not looking good. Yeah, this is not looking good. Ugh. Yeah. I guess the only thing we can do is try to clear the snow off the top and hope that it comes back again. That's not good. Too much snow this year. It's been hammering us. We got, oh geez, probably another 4 or 5 feet again overnight. So I guess we're gonna get it cleaned up. The bucket I use to water the animals under a covered porch, and even then you might have to dig it out sometime. Hubby is out with the tractor. He's trying to get paths put in for everything. We got a path out to the chicken, one of the chicken houses, the breast house. Now he's getting a path up here to the water so we can get some water for the animals. He made a path to the pole barn, so it makes it a lot easier for us to clear this out really quick and take care of the animals. Well, the breast chicken run did get pretty full of snow in here. Even though it does have a tarp on top, we were getting some really high winds, so that blew some snow in here. But it looks like they're still gonna come out to drink their water, so I think we'll be okay here. Chickens, unlike ducks, hate the snow.
Come on. Come on, baby. Come and get a drink. Come on. You can do it. She's thinking about it. All the laying hens are looking good. And the roos. Hubby will come in later and refill their chicken feeder. They've still got some in there because the roosters like to try to attack me, so I'll leave that to him. But everyone's looking good. Although I don't think they'll be coming out into their run anytime soon.
Well, great news, everyone. The greenhouse survived. Check it out. I was able to clear off the snow, and believe it or not, because of the way these cattle panels are, they actually form to like that circular type of fit, and they just sprung right back up. I had to go inside and use a board to kind of prop it up, but no tears in the plastic. Absolutely nothing. I mean, that's incredible. I think a lot of it had to do too with the staples that I used on the sides. So it gave it it allowed it to kind of twist and move. So that's really cool. So it is back to life again. And none of the framing broke, nothing. Like, it's the same as it was before. So that is fantastic news. We are so fortunate for that. So we definitely appreciate you stopping by the homestead, and we'll see you on the next one.